Hey, my shaku ready. Yeah, loose. Hey sis, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Y'all, I know we on house arrest, I know we on lockdown, I know we can't go anywhere right now. All the brunch places closed, can't do no Sunday fun day, but when we are free, y'all come back to this video and get any of these outfits, because I'm gonna have you out here looking so snatched, okay? First place I'm going is brunch, okay? These outfits I got for y'all today, like, sis, brunch ready. Brunch red, period. Like, I got y'all with these outfits. When we free, when we out of quarantine, we gonna be out here snatching wigs off. All right, no, keep your wigs on. Keep your wigs on. You're gonna be like, dang, she was ready. Sis was ready. I am ready. Let me out. I want out. Let me out. Let's jump into these outfits, cause I can talk all day. All right, let's go. Right, here is our first outfit. Honey, I saw these jeans and I said, hold up. These jeans just, like, you can't tell me nothing. Okay, like giving me life. These definitely drag on the floor when I don't have my heels on, but once I put my heels on, it's a wrap. It's a wrap. Ah! Look, I'm already ready to be out. Both top and bottom are from Fashion Nova, okay? And I do have some awkwardly long arms. We're just gonna leave that there. I've already addressed the elephant in the room. Still a cute top. Like, who gonna check me, boo? Who gonna check me, boo? Tight little knot, let it hang, let it do a little droopy droop, and just do you, boo, boo. This little floral number here now, it's really doing something for the girls, okay? They are there. Obviously this dress, you can't be doing too many dance moves because it's gonna be coming up. This dress, I don't think it's meant to be worn off the shoulders, but I'm an off the shoulders girl. If it goes off the shoulders, I'm gonna make it go off the shoulders, okay? You can't get me to not wear something off the shoulders. Got this dress also from Forever 21. Super duper cute. Like, absolutely love it. Just paired them with some plain nude heels, because I feel like the print on the dress is already doing a lot. So I wanted to keep the shoes simple. Starting to lose some light. I gotta move quick. This one is a very chill but very, very, very cute outfit. You know, we gotta bring out the denim skirt. Okay. Got us a little denim action. Hey, hey. And then this is just literally like a plain white v-neck t-shirt that I put off the shoulder and tied a little knot in the front, and then I just paired it with some clear nude, not nude, some clear heels that everybody has. Every girl got a pair of these shoes. Like, if you don't have it, you can find it anywhere. Mine are from Fashion Nova. The skirt is from Windsor, and honestly, this shirt, I have no clue, probably Ross or something. It's very like cash chic, that's what I'm gonna call it. If you wanted to like add a pop of color, I would do it with like a cute purse or something. I like purses, but when I go out, I don't like to carry them. So like, I'll literally just be out like this with my phone. If I got a pocket, even better. I'll slide my phone in my pocket, be hands-free. I need 2 hands for my drink. Military action, looking like I'm about to go to war. Olive green is a color that I wear in every season. Spring, summer, fall, winter. It's literally my favorite color to wear. You know, and it's comfortable. You can dance. You can dance down low. You can get down low. How low can you go? Hey, you pull up and brunch with this, This is everything. Of course, I paired it with my favorite heels that I've been loving. Once again, shout out Fashion Nova. These heels are very tall, but very comfortable. Like, I could wear these all day, all night, and I have done it. I've worn them all day before, and like, my feet don't even hurt at all. And then this, to be honest with you all, don't know where I got it. I don't know, but I know it's cute. That denim on denim. I'm a very simple person. Simple yet cute. Don't get it twisted. Brought my favorite shoes back. These shoes, might as well get used to seeing them because they're gonna be out all spring long. Well, hopefully we can make it out into the spring. God. So these shorts are a little bit big on me. Like, not a little bit. The waist is gone. But maybe it's me. I got no waist. What waist? Sis is snatched. Hey. Hey. If you want, you could put the jacket all the way up. Just like that. I like that the denims are both light, but they don't match, like spot on. Like, that adds more to the look. It adds a little more variety. Brunch ready. Ready. Got the bright pink going on. Some more snatched jeans. Like, y'all. This really cute off the shoulder crop top from Forever 21. The jeans are from Q. Okay, and then I just got some plain nude strappy sandal heels. Wow, 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 hey. Wow, 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 thoughts. Let y'all get a little view. Thank you so much for watching, sis. Don't forget to comment down below which one was your favorite outfit and which one you're gonna be rocking as soon as they let us out. As soon as they say, y'all are free to go outside. Which one of these outfits are you gonna put on first? Let's speak positivity out there. God gonna heal everybody. We're all gonna come out of this well, hopefully very soon, so we can go back to our normal lives. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you all so much for your support. Love you all so much.